Hey everybody, it's Tina. Surprise! I am jumping on here live to share with you guys the brand new catalog. So I'm so excited that today is June 1st because that means the catalog is live. I have a YouTube video going up where I walk you through the catalog. I do a catalog tour and I talk forever. That will be up on my YouTube channel in just a little bit. I have to finish up a few things and then I will go ahead and put that up. So right now we're going to make a card and I'm going to share with you guys all of the freebies I have for this month. Hey Chris, I have a ton of things that I'm giving away for this month. So I'm going to walk you guys through that. And then this is also going to be up on my YouTube channel. So if you are catching this on my YouTube channel, no worries. You still, like, this is for everybody who orders this month. So we're going to be making a card right now. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to share all of the things that I'm giving away this month. Okay, so let's start with the card that is my freebie card kit for June, okay? So this is the kit that you will get when you place an order with me, $50 or more before shipping and tax, and you use the host code. You will get this card kit, okay? So you'll be able to put this card together. Just so you guys know, all of the card kits for May, for last month, are going out on Monday, okay? I had to wait to be able to order some product, and so they're getting all put together and everything's going out for May on Monday. I'm running a little late with all of that. So what you will have in your kit, hey Deborah, hey Christine, there was somebody else, I think my mom popped on here. So what you'll get in your kit is you'll get a card base that will be folded for you. It's a standard A2 size card. And then you're going to get another piece of Whisper White cardstock. And this is at 4 by 5 1/4. So we're going to first work on this. And I have to do some trimming because this was a last minute decision to go live right now. I was going to wait for a little bit, but I thought let's just make some stuff together. So right now I'm just cutting some, this is basic gray cardstock. So you're going to have a couple strips of basic gray. You're going to have a couple strips of smoky slate. And then you're going to have some brand new colors. So this is Gorgeous Grape, which is one of my favorite new colors. You're going to have a couple strips of this. And then Highland Heather. So you're going to have a couple strips of this. And these two purples are really my favorite. My grandma liked purple. It was her favorite color. And whenever I see anything purple, it reminds me of her. And I think that she really would have loved this color right here. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to cut these down. Your kit will already have everything cut down. You won't have to cut anything. But I just was not prepared. So I'm having to do some cutting on camera with you guys. Okay, so you're going to have these strips. You will probably have 1 or 2 of these strips left over when you put your card kit together. That's okay. I always encourage you guys to put your card kits together for me any way you want. If you want to just follow what I'm doing, that's great. But if you want to get creative, you can do that too. So we'll bring our Whisper White piece back over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to layer these strips right onto our card here. I'm going to start with a dark purple, and then I'll do a light purple. And we're not gluing anything down quite yet because we have to get everything kind of situated. Okay, so you'll have a couple pieces left over, see? Okay, so this is how I want everything to lay. So now normally what I would do is I would edit this part out so you guys didn't have to sit here and watch me. But we're live, so we can't edit. So what you're gonna do is just put your strips down. And they don't have to be, I lay them out first just so that I can get a sense of where everything's going to be. But they don't have to be perfect. You guys know me though, I'll try to make it perfect. So the catalog is live, the brand new catalog. I've shared a link in my VIP group. I've shared a link here on my business page. So if you guys don't have a catalog in your hands, you can see it. I have a catalog tour that will go live on my YouTube channel, and I'll share it here with you guys. Just walking through the catalog. I end up talking forever in it. I think the video is like an hour long, because I just like chatting about new product. You'll be able to order from the catalog starting around 11 a.m. Stampin' Up! Is currently transitioning everything, so it takes a little bit of time. So all I'm doing is putting these strips down, and I can tell I'm probably putting them too close for what I want. I'm going to have to make some larger spaces here. The nice thing is that it's easy to line these up because they're the exact length of the Whisper White piece of cardstock on the bottom. So if you just line these edges up, they'll go on pretty straight. Oops. Hey, Carrie. Oops, and that last strip is crooked. Let's fix that. Well, it looks a little crooked. Sometimes once this adhesive goes down, you're kind of stuck. Get it? Stuck. No pun intended. Okay, so here we go. So this is the layout. And then what I like to do is, just in case, like there's a little bit of extra here, I'm just going to trim that off. Okay, so that's how you'll put this part of the card together. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is bring our card base over. And I want to put some foam on the back of this. So because I'm on a live and I don't want to deal with the dimensionals and not being able to edit that out for you guys, I'm just going to use 3M foam tape. So I get my 3M foam tape on Amazon. I was really lucky, and a few months back I found a bunch of it on clearance at Walmart for like $4 or $5, and I bought a bunch of rolls. But sometimes it's easier than dimensionals when I'm on camera. Otherwise, I would just use dimensionals. Okay, and then I'm going to save this little piece. That was perfect. I'm going to need this tiny little piece, and I'll save that. Okay, so let's peel these off. So once you put your strips together, remember you'll get the Whisper White piece of cardstock. You'll get your strips, and you can put those on your cardstock however you want. You could do a little bit of a different design if you want. So now what I'm going to do is put this right in the middle. Okay, so right here. So now we have the bases of our card, right? So now you're going to have a couple more pieces in your kit. The first thing you're going to have, well, maybe not the first thing, but you will have a white circle like this. And then what I've done is I've dug into some of my older product, and I have pulled out this vellum that we had many years ago. I mean, I think it's been a couple years. And what you're going to have is one of these designs, you will have a starburst circle. So I'm using the polka dots here for our presentation. But there's a couple different designs in here. So you may have any one of these designs. You may have this one. Hey, Julie. Hey, Corey. You may have this one. I don't think I'll use that one, but maybe this one. You can see there's just some different designs. So depending on how many kits I have to make up will depend on which designs I use. So you'll have those two things. And then you're going to have some, let's see, you'll have some purple sequins. This is iridescent purple sequins. This is a little bonus item. It's not a Stampin' Up! Product. It's just a product I want to include because it makes this card beautiful. And then you'll have some of this black thread, which is super hard to see on camera. But you're going to have a little piece of this, okay? So what you're going to want to do is the first thing we're going to do is stamping so that it will dry. So the stamps that I'm using, you can use any stamp set that you want to put this card together, but the stamp set that I'm using is this Crafting Forever. We're going to use the sentiment that says, I'm glad I did that. See, it didn't stick to my block. We'll use a little bit of adhesive. So I'm going to use the sentiment that says do something creative every day. That's what's going on this card. So oops, sorry guys, I hit my camera. So I'm going to use some black ink. And what I want to do is just stamp this. That way I can let it dry. Oh, see, I smeared. Let's flip it over. Try again. Okay, straight down, straight up, release. Okay, better. So let's set that aside so it can dry. And let's work on the rest of our card. So what you'll do is you will take your little black thread and some snail adhesive or whatever kind of adhesive you're using. You're going to go probably right about here, and you're just going to make a couple dots of adhesive. Then you'll take this thread, and we're just going to get really messy. Just make really big loops. You want really big because you want this thread to show through under your little starburst. So really big loops. The thread kind of like will move itself. It will kind of loop around on its own if you just let it twist. That's my computer that keeps going crazy. Okay, so now we got to be really careful. We're going to put this piece of foam tape just because I had it left. We'll put that right there. I'm trying not to touch this sentiment. And then we'll flip this over. And then we'll put the adhesive on the vellum that's not going to show. Hey, Linda. Oh, and I smeared a little tiny bit. Don't smear like I did. So then just place this right over that messy string. Okay? So now the very last thing we're going to do to this card is going to be to add these sequins and add a little bit of rhinestones. So what I want to do is I'm just going to take a few dots. That's probably good because I'm going to add rhinestones too. So I'm just using my fine tip glue pen. I'm going to use my X-Acto knife because that's what works best for me. And then you see these sequins. What we're going to do is just grab them and then we stick them right on here. Just like this. Probably got those too close together, but that's okay. And then I want one right here on my Whisper White. Hey, Janice, I just tagged you on our team page. I'm glad you popped on here. I left you a message on our team Facebook page. If you could check that out, that would be awesome. So you'll get these purple sequins in your kit. My mom just said that my grandma would have loved this card. I think she would have too. She really loved purple. So now I'm just going to add a couple of these rhinestones. I kind of want one right here on the white. And then I want one down here. And then maybe one up here. So you guys know that's kind of what I like to do. I like to sprinkle them kind of down the card. Awesome, Janice. Thank you so much. I'm glad you had already seen it. So here's the card. So you'll get all the pieces to make this card. So this is my customer appreciation gift. Spend $50 with me or more before shipping and tax. You get this card kit, but there is more, you guys. Okay, so I have a ton of giveaways this month because I'm so excited. First of all, I announced last night on my business page and on Instagram that I earned the Greece incentive trip for Stampin' Up. So I'm so thankful because it's just because of you guys who purchase from me, because of my team. That's how I earn these trips. And so I'm so excited. I earned the trip 3 weeks earlier than I ever have before. So I'm so excited. So I want to celebrate in the month of June by giving back to you guys. So this is the customer appreciation card kit that goes out to customers. Then for every $25 that you guys spend with me, I have a whole bunch of designer paper. And for every $25, you guys are going to get a pack of paper. So you won't get the same, like if you spend $100, I won't just give you 4 packs of this. What I'll do is you'll get 4 different sets. Like you would get 4 different sets of designer paper. So for every $25, you get a pack, sampler size, this is 6x6 of designer paper, okay? And you still get your card kit, okay? And then what's gonna happen is you are going to get the glimmer enamel dots. If you spend $100 with me, you'll get the glimmer enamel dots, okay? But the other thing that I'm going to do this month, because I'm so excited, is there is product back here that I'm getting. I'm getting it for a couple different reasons. I talk about it in my walkthrough of the catalog, but I'm going to show you guys. I'm doing a team presentation on this product. Let me find it. Here it is. Okay, so I'm doing a team presentation using this product right here. And I love it. It's the puzzle pieces. I have a daughter. My middle daughter is autistic. And the symbol kind of stuff that is used for autism is puzzle pieces. So that's one of the reasons I'm really excited to get this. But I'm also doing a team presentation for June. So what I'm going to do is all of the stuff that I'm doing for my team, I'm going to record videos for my customers, and I am going to offer it as an exclusive class. So spend $50 with me before shipping and tax. You'll get the exclusive class video, so you'll see all of the projects that I make. They won't come with a kit to make the projects, but you will get all of the videos for it, and you will see what I'm making. And then you will also get this card kit, which we just put together on camera. And then you will get, for every $25, you get the sampler size of designer paper. If your order is $100, you'll get the glimmer enamel dots as well. So I just want to celebrate with you guys and give back to you because I'm so thankful to be able to do this. It's stressful sometimes. It's exciting sometimes. The new catalog being out, it's exciting. There's a lot going on today. But at the end of the day, I'm so grateful to be able to do this. I don't want to start crying. But I really do feel that way. I feel so thankful to be able to do this and to have your guys' support, for you guys to be able to pop on here, for me to be able to share with you that purple was my grandma's favorite color and she would love this card. That just makes me so happy to be able to have those connections. So I hope that you guys are excited about the new catalog. It goes live around 11 a.m. is when it will go live. And then everybody will start, everybody who orders gets the freebies for this month. So thank you guys so much. Why don't we do a giveaway? Let's do a really fun giveaway. Okay, so leave a comment. Even if you're catching the replay of this, leave a comment with your name. Share the video. If you're on YouTube, leave a comment on YouTube because this is going up live on my YouTube channel today as well. If you're on YouTube, leave a comment. If you are on my website, leave a comment. And if you are here on the live, leave a comment, leave your name. And then if you share it, you get entered again. And I will give away a set of end color markers. These are the new colors. So these are the brand new end colors. And it is this set right here. And I'll give this away. I'll choose a winner and I'll send you a set of these markers. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I have lots to do. I've got to get this video up to YouTube. I've got to take photos and, sorry guys, get everything shared. So I'm going to go. I'll be around all day. So if you need help placing an order, just let me know because I'm here in my office all day celebrating this beautiful catalog and being able to share what's inside with you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I will talk to you guys later.